In this video, we are going to be talking about top 5 high CPM YouTube channels that you can try, and you can make some great amount of money with the help of that. So the first channel is known as Altcoin Daily. So you can see they are working onto this crypto niche that you can also work in. They are actually making videos on crypto, and you can see they are getting some real great amount of views. So if we go on to Social Blade, and if you see the status, and you can see they have got 1.2 million subscribers and they have got 1.7k uploads up till now. Onto the last 30 days they have got 2.7 million views, and they are making an estimated, since it's on a higher side, so they are making almost $15,000 every single month. Now why? Because the estimates are for up to 4, see, that is the CPM is up to $4, but it is much higher onto this niche. So you can easily make like $15,000-$20,000 easily with the help of this niche. The second niche is sell this now. So they are working onto this Shopify and dropshipping niche, and you can actually do dropshipping with the help of this thing. And you can see that they are making simple videos just like this. If you want to do just like this, you can basically do, and it will be really effective. So if you see some social media, that is Social Blade stats, you'll be able to see that they are actually generating some great amount of money. To be true, they are making like $600-$700 easily with this channel. And not just that, they're getting views really in a consistent way. Now, if you need to understand, you can see that they are getting views really consistently, and they are growing just like anything. And you do not need to do anything for doing videos just like this. The third niche that I'm going to be talking about is Betterment Boss. And you are going to be loving this because they talk about generic things like 5 reasons real estate will make you rich, 7 unusual things top that people do, the rich, what the people of the secret rich habits do this to be rich, and they talk about all this. Now, if we go on to Social Blade, you will be able to see that this channel is actually making quite a good amount of money, and they are having some good amount of views also that they are getting consistently there. It has been a spiked up moment onto the Windows, and not just that, you can see always they're getting some great amount of views, always, and you can make it easily with the help of tools that I have given onto the link in the description for you. Now, the fourth channel is onto the luxury niche that you can actually do. These American families control everything. Now you can see the billion-dollar fortune of this person, and you can see they make videos just like this, the $300 million theme park ride. So you can easily understand that the richest make top 10 videos or top all these luxury videos, and they make a really great amount of insane amount of profit with the help of that. And you can see that they are making some really great amount of money. They have hide their all the things, and not just that, it's completely okay for us. Now we come to the fifth, the last niche that we're going to be talking about, which is Cooper's Academy. And this is really great because they talk about investing, and you know it, Graham Stephan does this same thing. Now, talking about this, they are all talking about investing, and they are making some really great insane amount of profit with the help of that. Now you'll be able to see that what is Bill Gates' portfolio is like, how to profit with NFTs. Warren Buffett is buying these 2 stocks, and you can see Charlie Munger and what's not. People are actually watching these videos, and this channel is generating some great amount of views and money, to be true. So they have got 414, almost like 400k views onto the last 30 days. So you can easily understand that this channel is making near about $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, and that is going to be insane, to be true, getting consistent amount of views. So how you can actually do it, go to the link in the description so that you will be able to know that what are the things that are needed to be done whenever you think about doing the same thing again and again. Now if we do it, what you need to do is then go into a link in the description I've given, and after that you can know how you can actually make channel just like this, and you will be having consistent views just like this, and that it will be completely worth it.